He's doing?
I'm helping Haley do a pumpkin.
Oh, that's very nice.
She can top.
Well, that's being a nice friend. Just watch your fingers.
Oh, yeah, I did it wrong time.
Okay, watch Hazel. You're coming around there.
No, I'm right here.
Yeah,
Almost done.
Yep.
This is pretty fun.
And then I'll take them when they get done, okay? You gotta kind of whoosh around it again, Allie, all the way around it, because it might be little strings.
I think right here. Straight there. Oh, so that's the hard part where you cook it.
Okay.
No, let's talk. Talk over here. Okay. Hello. Hello. My name is Upside Down Clown. And my name is Mr. Funny Guy. And my name is Squeakles. They all dance all the time. And we always go to the park and play. Yeah, let's go. Upside down. Woo-hoo. Come on, let's go, Squiggles. Let's go because it's nighttime. Look, oh, now the light came back on. It's nighttime. Listen, let's go happy Halloween. Yeah, happy Halloween. Paintbrush. I'm 7 years old.
Father. Oh, Sarah, you look beautiful. Honey, come in. Tell us to come in too, and I'll take her.
Listen, come on, we're taping us. What's taping us? Here comes the Golden Princess.
Oh, both of you are beautiful. Stand side by side and give a hug. I am. Say hi. What day is today?
Monday.
Thanksgiving.
Thanksgiving.
Say happy Thanksgiving.
Happy Thanksgiving.
Hello.
Hi.
You gonna say happy Thanksgiving too?
Happy Thanksgiving. Auntie.
What do you say, Kate?
Happy Thanksgiving.
Still a kid. Okay. Oh, Nicole, I got your mouth. Okay, it's okay. Here, show me again. A nice one. No, I got less of the eyes. Okay, one more. That's better.